Hello, all my GMAT aspirants. Welcome to the GMAT YouTube channel by PW. This is Amit Rora, your VRC expert. Okay, so as you're aware, the Super 100 series are going on. And in this, we've already had one session of verbal that is namely strengthening. So welcome today or weakening of arguments wala session. Remember, in this, what we're trying to do is cover the best 100 questions from various topics of quant and verbal so as to help you and aid your GMAT focus edition preparation. Let's get started without further ado. So पिछली बार we did strengthening of arguments and we did the questions. Today we are going to be doing weakening, which is obviously complementary to that and very easy and very important. ठीक है? This is all about me. You can read about me. And now let's get started. All right. So people, as you're aware, the concept is very basic. Weakening may, all right, the premises that are taken to be true, the way to decrease the strength is to attack its assumptions. ठीक है, anything that weakens the assumption automatically becomes weakening. ठीक है, a weakened correct choice will never demolish, no, it will never demolish the argument completely, but please remember, it will make it significantly weaker. It will reduce the validity of the author's conclusion. Please keep this in mind. ठीक है, so of course, typically these are the types of questions that come, like seriously weakens the argument, strongest evidence against, cast the most serious doubt strongly. ठीक है, if true, most strongly supports the view that the company something will not be successful. So while this may also we will look like evaluate the argument ka format, which we will be doing in the next session, but remember this is still weakening. ठीक है, and obviously could be of the most use to the opponents of the new policy. ठीक है, so opponents, anything that is against, anything that weakens, anything that questions, anything that casts a doubt. All right, so let's get started. What we're going to do is now we're going to solve a series of questions. Stay tuned, solve, then watch me solve, and then kind of take it from there. All right, so this is the first question. Why don't you first attempt it? You can pause the video, solve it, then I will solve it and you can check your answer. Please solve it first. All right, so I hope by now you must have paused the video, solved it, and now I'm going to solve it. So stay with me. Okay? Chaliye. So the paragraph is basically talking about outsourcing. Okay? And we're basically saying the first is the concept or the premise in terms of what it is. Acha, it also says that the company's chief objective is to realize highest possible profit. Okay? So outsourcing is good because if you can obtain anything from an independent supplier for less than it would cost the company, then it's 100% should be outsourced. So what does the paragraph talk about? The paragraph says that outsourcing is very good. Automatically now think, what will weaken something that says outsourcing is bad? That's all. It's as that simple. So aa jaiye. Now let's look at every option. If a company decides to use independent suppliers, it can generally exploit the vigorous competition arising among several firms that are interested in supplying. So this is irrelevant because this simply talks about method of outsourcing. It is not praising outsourcing. It is not criticizing outsourcing. No relation at all. This is useless. B. Successful outsourcing requires a company to provide its suppliers with info, okay, about its products and plans that can fall into the hands of competitors. This definitely attacks outsourcing because it questions the reliability of outsourcing. There you go. So this is saying outsource करने से problem आ सकती है. Information can be leaked. 100% this weakens. So let's park the option. Next one. Certain tasks such as processing a company's payroll commonly outsourced, whereas others are not. So people, irrelevant. We don't care about what can be outsourced and what not. We have to attack outsourcing. Next, for a company to provide a product for itself as efficiently as an independent supplier can provide, the managers involved need to be expert in the area of that product or service, as the people in charge of that product as an independent supplier are. Okay? So people, once again, this is simply comparing the knowledge that the company should have versus the vendor supplier should have. वापस से irrelevant है. It is not really praising outsourcing. It is not criticizing or kind of finding a major fault in outsourcing. Acha, you may also think, sir, but it's saying now that skill sets are needed. Not bad. But go back to the question. The focus of the question is profits. The focus of the question is year-end profits and loss. So that means the focus is cost. This ka focus is skills. So this option goes away. When a company decides to use an independent supplier for a product or service, the independent supplier sometimes hires members of the company staff who formerly made the product or provided the service that the independent supplier now supplies. So people, so what? इसके बाद भी so what? So that is very normal. So fine, the supplier may hire somebody ex staff from the same company for knowledge. So this is not criticizing outsourcing. इससे confirm होता है, prove होता है. Correct answer was answer option B, because that's the only one that goes against outsourcing. Once again, if you did not understand, remember all the answer explanations are given here. Please do refer and peruse at your leisure. ठीक है? चलिए, people, let's keep the flow going. अगला सवाल. Again, please pause the video, solve it, and then watch me solve it. Here we go. Chaliye, by now, I hope you must have been done solving. Now, in case you're stuck or you're confused, watch me and let's solve it together. आ जाइए. The earliest Mayan pottery, ठीक है, is about so and so. Recently, however, matlab transition, 4,500-year-old stone implements were unearthed at Kola. Okay. These also resemble Mayan stone implements of a much later period also found at Kola. So, matlab ke pehle a date is given, that is 3,000 years old, but now 4,500 years old also, both Mayan. Okay. Moreover, these designs are strikingly similar from the designs produced by other cultures known to have inhabited the area in prehistoric times. Fine. Now, what is the conclusion? Therefore, there were surely Mayan settlements in Kolha 4,500 years ago. Now, people, this is interesting. What is the conclusion? Conclusion बोल रहा है कि Mayan लोग ही थे वहाँ पे in spite of other cultures and everything, but that is important. So people, what can we can at first anticipate? First of all, we can question the date, 4,500 years ago, or we can question, are they other than Mayan, others were also there, or some other evidence. That's all. Now let's look at the options. So what I'm trying to teach you here is the thinking process. Chaliye. A. Ceramic ware is not known to have been used by the Mayan people. People, once again, this is irrelevant because we don't care of the material. What Amit sir told you, date or other civilization or settlement. This goes away. Carbon dating of corn pollen in Kolha indicates that agriculture began there around 4,500 years ago. Irrelevant because once again, what we need is to challenge that 4,500 or challenge the Mayan part. This is gone. Archaeological evidence indicates that some of the oldest stone implements found at Kolha were used to cut away vegetation after controlled burning to open areas of swampland. Totally irrelevant because again, it is not challenging my conclusion. It is not doing anything to weaken it or reduce the validity. Gone. D. Successor cultures at a given site often adopt the style of agricultural implements used by earlier inhabitants of the same site. बेटा अभी ये देख लो कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है. पहली बात तो this option is relevant. Why? Because of use of keywords like settlements, sites, date, age, implements. So that's point number one. Point number two, what it is saying is that you cannot conclude that Mayans were there. You can only conclude that whoever stayed there used it of the earlier. So it could be Mayans. It could not be Mayans. D makes complete sense. D is attacking it. D is basically questioning that Mayans were not necessarily there. Others also could have been there. That's good enough. So D is the answer. E. Many religious social institutions of the Mayan people who inhabited Kolha relied on a highly developed system of agriculture. 100% irrelevant because we don't care. We don't care about the highly advanced or not. We just care about the dates and the settlements. That is why correct answer is answer option D. Okay? People, you are noticing how keyword basis pe, logic ke basis pe, it is very simple. Once again, if you did not understand or any problem, please refer to the answer explanation. All of these are on the lines of the GMAT Focus Edition. Don't worry. चलिए इसी के साथ next question. Let's keep the flow going. First, please attempt it. Pause the video, solve it, and then we'll solve it together. चलिए people, now let's get started. So please now solve with me or wait for the answer. So इसमें एक writer है who's basically saying that he's noticed that anything hotels में built below 1930, the carpentry work is superior. ठीक है, compared to built afterward. So people, 1930, what we are saying is before is better. What we are saying is after is bad. Please remember, we are comparing build quality. Don't forget. So write down the condition. What is the conclusion? So carpenters working on hotels before 1930 now worked with more skill. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे skills were higher. यहाँ पे skills were lower than carpenters who worked later. Now people, what will weaken it? What will we can anticipate? We will basically say that this is false. We will basically say that no change. Or something ulta, जहाँ पे post 1930 was better, or it was no change. What else can be the case? Now let's people remember, keywords have to match. आ जाइए. A. The quality of original carpentry is generally far superior to the quality of original carpentry in others, such as houses and stores. Totally out of context. Reject. We are not talking of them. We are only talking of hotels. B. Hotels built since 1930 can generally accommodate more guests. Totally out of context. Please reject. We don't care. C. The materials available to carpenters working before 1930 were not significantly different in quality from the materials available to carpenters. Beta, this is actually supporting it. This is not weakening it. This says that material were the same, but the skills were clearly better. So this supports the conclusion. Because now we have to say that skills were better. We have to say that there was no change. But material agar same tha, to skills can vary. So this question doesn't help weaken. Option D. The better the quality of original carpentry in a building, the less likely that building is to fall into disuse and be demolished. This is so beautiful. This option basically says same. This option basically says doesn't matter carpentry before, after, doesn't matter before 1930, after 1930. They say that the older it was built, the higher the chance it will not be demolished. It will be maintained in good condition. So what does this do? This takes the focus away from carpentryship to others. So this is very good. This is weakening. E. The average length of apprenticeship for carpenters, oh no, this itself is a red flag, has declined significantly. People, we don't care. We are not talking of apprenticeship lengths and how has that affected or impacted. That is why correct answer is answer option D. Are you noticing how the thinking has to happen? Keyword matching has to happen, and option elimination. I go by that method. Whatever otherwise you're doing and you're getting the answer correct is fine. Okay? Please go through the answer choices whenever you get the time. And let's continue. Here we go. Agla sawal aapke screen pe. Please pause the video, solve it, and then we'll do it together. Sorry, people, now let's get started. Let's solve it together. If you got the answer, hang in there. All right. So what we are saying is that a high-speed train line के बजाय plane क्यों नहीं कर लेते हैं? Because it is less. It is 1/3 the price. ठीक है? Plane is also very fast, can fly at just as fast. Yeah, people. High speed train jitna, plane is fast. Okay, but 1/3 of the cost. The train would be fixed line system. Okay, and of course there are kya? Free wheel systems. So train is not good. The train is not good. Acha. Also people, so this is your free line system, which do not have fixed routes. Thus a sufficient market for the train will not exist. Now, what can weaken this? What can weaken this is if you can prove that train is awesome. What can weaken this if you can prove plane is horrible? Because you are proposing plane instead of the train. Bus, let's check the options. Aa. Which of the following weakens? Cars, buses, planes require the efforts of drivers and pilots. Train will be guided mechanically. Beta, my question to you all is, so what? And can you say that mechanical is better? We don't know. Could be, could not be. Option is subjective. You can make a case, so mechanical is better, obviously remote automation. I can also say risky, unmanned, accidents, blah, blah, blah. So this option doesn't weaken because it's subjective. Okay? B. Cars and buses are not nearly as fast as the high-speed train. Beta, this doesn't weaken because we've anyways established plane ka kya? Or plane is as fast as the train. To talk about something like cost, prove that the train is far more superior. So ye bhi nahi kar raha hai. Gone. C. Planes are not a free wheel system. Best. Your argument is saying that planes are a free wheel system and यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं planes are not. Perfect contradiction. I love it. ठीक है? अच्छा, why? They can fly between airports which are less convenient than the high speed stations would be. 100% this is weakening. एक ही सेंटेंस ने दोनों कर दिया, प्लेन की बजा दी, ट्रेन को आहा कर दिया. थिंक अबाउट इट बेटा. सो सी इज परफेक्टली वीकनिंग. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. The high speed train cannot use currently underutilized train stations. We are not really talking about train stations and underutilizing. We are only comparing train to plane. So forget it. For long trips, most people prefer to fly rather than to take ground. Beta, this is 100% supporting it. This is supporting, not weakening, because we are saying plane is good. We want to bajao the plane and support the train. So that is wrong. Remember, strengthen weaken में one option will do ulta. तो strengthen पूछा है, one option will weaken and vice versa. So people, 100% the correct answer is answer option C. I hope you're getting the ease of solving. ठीक है? Use your own approach, get the answer. Other, if not, use my approach. ठीक है? चलिए, answer explanations are always available to you. People, let's continue. You're doing very well. Read the question, pause the video, solve it, and then I'll solve it. Sorry, people, I hope you've solved it by now. So like I said, pause the video, take your time, then unpause the video and continue. Let's do it together now. So we are saying that robot satellites, okay, do important things because they can be repaired only in orbit. That's the condition for robot satellites. Astronauts are needed, and without repairs, they would malfunction. Space flights carrying astronauts to repair robot satellites must continue. Okay? So we are saying robot satellites, awesome. Space flight with astronauts have to. They can only be repaired in orbit. Now, what can weaken it? What can weaken it is if we prove that robot satellites are useless. If we prove that robot satellites, repairing them is very costly. Okay? Because we have to basically attack the validity by saying it is not good. आ जाओ, एक ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं. Satellites falling, satellites बेटा generic है. ठीक है, not robot satellites. Burn up in the atmosphere, irrelevant, we don't care. We are only looking at robot satellites. Remember, keywords. All those satellites, फिर से not robot, relay this thing of weather patterns, weather forecast, also makes use of computer projections. So what? This is not weakening. This is in fact adding it. See, the government, okay, responding to public pressure, has decided to cut the budget for space flights and put more money into social welfare, totally out of context. It is not weakening it. Okay? D. Repair of satellites. Okay, beta, satellites are not robot satellites. So that is red flag 1. Requires heavy equipment, which adds to the amount of fuel needed to lift a spaceship carrying astronauts into orbit. This is good. This is good. This is weakening it. But beta, because of satellites and not robot satellites, park it. This is criticizing the, space flight of robot satellites. But it's only talking of satellites. So that's that. Okay? Now E. Technical obsolescence. I love it. This itself is a negative term against robot satellites. Of robot satellites. Perfect. Okay? Makes repairing them more costly. Love it. अमित सर ने बिगिनिंग में बोल दिया, यू हैव टू बजाओ रोबोट सैटेलाइट्स, यू हैव टू से दिस इज सो कॉस्टली, स्पेस फ्लाइट शुड नॉट कंटिन्यू, and less practical than sending new improved satellites. Oh, this is perfect, sir, because E is totally bajaying our premise. E is totally containing all the keywords and it is weakening. That is why correct answer is answer option E. That's it. Okay, people, it is literally that easy. Okay, so here in this series we are attempting to do just that. Chaliye, like I said, short but very informative and only solving questions based video. Okay, so this is what we are planning to do here every time that we come here. I had too much fun putting together this video. If you enjoyed it, आपको मजा आया, बेटा comments में definitely leave me a thumbs up or a heart or a fire emoji, and also let me know what your concerns or problems or questions are. I'll definitely create a video on them as well. Until we meet again, please take care, stay safe, and tune in definitely next time as well. This is Amit sir, signing off.